Hi everyone, it's Sherry and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm decluttering and cleaning my kids' rooms upstairs. Since my last video with me deep cleaning the kids' playroom, I've realized it's been a while since I've actually went through their stuff upstairs. So come along with me as I declutter and clean these rooms. With cleaning my kids' room, I always start in my son's room. His room is the smallest but the messiest, so I start here first. I'm wiping down his bed and his nightstand before I get to the decluttering. My channel is all about bringing your styles to life one DIY at a time. If you can visualize it, you can bring it to life by doing it yourself. I do DIYs, organization, as well as cleaning motivational videos. Click on that subscribe button and that bell right beside it. This bell just helps YouTube notify you and send you a notification whenever I upload a new video. Just like I did with my son's bed and nightstand, I'm wiping down his dresser as well as inside the drawers. I'm going through all of his clothes to see which items I need to keep or just throw away. Usually with my son's clothes, I'm either keeping them or throwing them away. I'm keeping them because he can still wear them or it looks nice, or I'm throwing it away because it's been outworn. Unlike my son, for my daughter around this time, she loses a lot of her clothes. Her birthday is in late spring, so usually at this time she has already outgrown her clothes or she's on the bridge of outgrowing her clothes. This day I washed a load of clothes that I've recently purchased for her and my son. So you're going to see a pile of clothes that I'm giving away that's hers, but she does have new clothes being replaced from the old ones. These are all of the items that I'm giving away or going to the trash. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this decluttering and cleaning video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, as well as make sure those notification bells are on. Follow me on my social media platforms, all at Sherri'sDivine Styles. Thanks for watching again, and I'll talk to you in the next one.